Have you ever been excited to dive into a project, only to be stopped in your tracks by an error message? It can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're eager to get started. If you've encountered the no module named TensorFlow error while using Keras in your Anaconda environment, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to solve this issue together. I completely understand how annoying it is when you think you've set everything up correctly, feel like only to be met with an error that halts your progress. You're definitely not alone in this. Many users face this exact issue when working with Keras and TensorFlow. Let's take a closer look at the situation. One user recently asked, "I have installed Keras and TensorFlow using pip in my Anaconda environment, but I keep getting the error, no module named TensorFlow." Sound familiar? If this resonates with you, stick around as we explore the solution. So, what could be causing this error? It often happens when the TensorFlow library is not installed in the correct environment, or if there are issues with the installation itself. Don't worry, we'll walk through the troubleshooting steps together. And make sure to stick around until the end. I have a valuable tip that will help you avoid this issue in the future. To resolve the import error regarding TensorFlow, the user should first ensure that TensorFlow is installed in the correct Anaconda environment. This can be done by activating the environment where Keras is intended to run. Next, the user needs to install TensorFlow specifically within this activated environment. This ensures that Keras can access TensorFlow without any issues. After installing TensorFlow, the user should verify the installation. This can be done by importing TensorFlow in a Python shell to check for any errors. Finally, the user can run their Keras program again. If everything is set up correctly, the import error should no longer appear. Fun fact: TensorFlow was originally developed by researchers and engineers from the Google Brain team. It's amazing how far we've come in making machine learning accessible to everyone. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests checking your Python version and the installation command. You can create a new environment with the command conda create-n TensorFlow Python equals your version. If you're using Conda Forge, install TensorFlow with conda install-c conda forge TensorFlow. For pip, use the appropriate command for your Python version, either pip install for Python 2 or pip 3 install for Python 3. If these steps don't resolve the issue, provide more details about your commands. Here's a tip to keep in mind. Always ensure you're working in the correct Anaconda environment before installing packages. This simple step can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You should now be able to run your Keras program without any issues. Remember, keeping your environments organized is key to avoiding these errors. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more insights.